Okay, this video is going to be for all the shoppers out there. I have to go shop my new necklace I just bought at the art fair. I'm not a huge mall shopper, but I'm in Westbrook, and when in Westbrook, go see the Westbrook outlet. So I'm going to be going around and showing you guys what stores are here. So enjoy, and if you like this, please subscribe. That would be awesome. And like this video. Cool. Thank you. Come take a little walk with me. This is Jennifer Sparks, your host today. I'm with Afternoon with Connecticut. It's a new channel I'm creating about positive, fun things to do in Connecticut. And today we are at Westbrook Outlets. This video was filmed October 2021. The place wasn't as filled and busy as it has been in the past. I used to come here and every store was filled. There was a lot of vacant stores around. This is a Williams Simona store right here on the right hand side, and there's an H&M right there on the left. It's just a beautiful place. Like, there's a lot of landscaping. It's all outside. Westbrook Outlets is right off 95. It's close to downtown area where you can find coffee shops and restaurants. It's close to the beach, and it's also close to Clinton Outlets too, which I'm going to be making a video about as well. As I said earlier, there was a lot of vacancies within the stores, but the stores that were there were having really good deals. This right here is a Petridge Farm outlet where they had like really good deals on almost expiring breads. I bought a few because you could always freeze them. They also have a movie theater that's on the same property. I've been coming here a lot of years. My family's always went to Westbrook to stay at the Water's Edge, and that's actually currently where I'm staying over here. Awesome place. I have a video of that too. Shameless plug. But you know, there used to be a lot of like smaller stores here, like record stores, you know, hobby kind of stores that aren't here anymore. You know, those are the ones that didn't survive, but your big mall stores seem to still be here. I'm going to be taking you through the Bath & Body Works, which they also have at Clinton too. The biggest difference I found between here and Clinton was packed. Every store was filled, but I felt the deals here were really good. Clinton also had like food trucks and a lot of people. It was like a lot of shoppers. This one didn't have a lot of shoppers, but it was really pleasant to walk around. All right, we're going to take a little walk into the Bath & Body Works now, which was having a fantastic sale. They had tables full of like $2 items, $3 items. I felt between this place and the one in Clinton, this one had the best deals going on for sure. I ended up with a basket full of stuff. I ended up with like some candles and some hand soap and some spray, mist, perfume stuff. Everything in the store smells so good. It's amazing. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, if you could please hit the subscribe button and help this channel. I just started it back in spring, so it's about 6 months old. I have a travel channel called Traveling with Jennifer Sparks Savoy for when I'm out of the state. I live in Connecticut, so I decided to start this channel for about when I'm home and doing things that I normally do in Connecticut to help people discover things themselves about things that they could do on a weekend or an afternoon in Connecticut. Did I like the Westbrook Outlets? Very much. I loved, you know, walking around there. Like I said before, it was very visually appealing. It wasn't crowded. The stores that were there had great deals, you know, and I love Westbrook. I just absolutely love that area of Connecticut. Thank you so much for watching. Be well to each other and have a wonderful afternoon in Connecticut.